My name's Nadia and I'm the founder and operations director of Botanica based in Sydney, Australia.
My name is Rhys Roberts, I'm the director at Cloudsolve and we implement solutions for small and medium businesses.
Rich and I started Botanica because we saw a gap in the market for clean, wholesome, innovative products with truthful and clean labelling. We also wanted to add value to all the horticulture that the farmers can't sell due to out-of-spec produce that the large retailers won't take. Our target customers at the moment are more on the premium end, such as sophisticated or really chic, trendy cafes and restaurants, but also Harris Farm markets, David Jones, Costco and Qantas. Our products are served in flight, in business and first class, and in all the premium lounges around Australia.
Cloudsolve is a consultancy working with small and medium businesses, putting in the systems they need to help run their business better. We've got an office in Sydney, another in Adelaide, but we actually work with clients all around the country. When we work with small business, we're looking for solutions that really add value. Unleashed just hits that sweet spot. It's easy to use but delivers enough functionality, and it's really good for businesses such as Botanica, where they've got multiple products, they've got multiple prices, they've got some complexity in their business, they need a solution to help them.
The key event that caused us to start a new inventory management system was the requirement to capture the cost of the batch of production. With the fluctuation of price of raw material, Unleashed allows us to instantly capture that cost. We were introduced to Unleashed by Cloudsolve, the professional company that helped us implement the system.
The implementation process for us normally follows a fairly structured approach. We always start off by understanding the client's business. To me, that's the heart of any implementation. You sit down and talk to the client and understand what the problem is they're trying to solve and go from there. Once we understand their problem, we can recommend the best solution. In this case, the best solution for them we felt was Unleashed. We then spent lots of time talking to them, understanding how they run the business day to day and what issues they were trying to address.
We started to take on larger customers and had to ensure that all records were up to date and were instantaneous. So really with traceability, we needed to ensure that every piece of raw material on site was put into a batch and where that batch then made a finished product and who it was sold to.
So as a partner working with a client, the key benefit we bring is experience of having done it many times before. Typically using a system is something you'll do every day and you need to get good at it. Setting it up is something you only ever do once and it's really hard to do it well. We see lots of clients who are self-implemented and they're only getting maybe 50% or 60% of the benefits of the system. We can take that to 95 or 100% really quickly. Lots of clients, when they implement, may take months and months to get up to speed. We can accelerate that to literally a couple of weeks. We will always talk to a client and identify what their needs are, match that to the right solution, and then look at the value add. There's always solutions out there at a high price that maybe would deliver what they need, but at a cost that's prohibitive. But with cloud solutions, we can often put in really good solutions that deliver great value at a very reasonable cost.
I would certainly recommend Cloudsolve to work with to implement Unleashed. We had such a successful result that we're working with Cloudsolve on many other applications that's separate to Unleashed. Unleashed has improved my personal life in a big way. I can now delegate and watch to ensure that those tasks are completed and I have more time to enjoy life.